So hi mga besh, so ito po ang ating mga ingredients sa crispy fried green dory. 1/2 kilo of green dory, garlic salt or salt and pepper to taste, 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup cornstarch, 2 tablespoon rice powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup cold water. So first, season the green dory. Don't forget to the other side. In the mixing bowl, beat 1 egg. Mix with all-purpose flour, cornstarch, rice powder, baking powder, and water. And mix well. And don't forget to season the butter. So this is how I fry my cream dory. So fry until golden brown. Ayan na mga besh, ito na po yung ating finished product sa ating crispy fried cream dory.